Stories this evening. Caught on drone camera, the people smuggler jailed for piloting a boat carrying 21 people across the Channel to Kent.
Motoring across the English Channel towards Dover from France, an inflatable boat with 21 people on board. The video is being filmed by a UK surveillance drone. It zooms in and captures footage of the man steering the dinghy. 36-year-old Iraqi national Redouan Ahmed jailed yesterday for 2 years, 7 months after admitting to people smuggling.
The drone that captured this footage is the first civilian beyond visual line of sight drone to have flown in the UK, so it's genuinely cutting-edge technology. The imagery that it was able to capture was critical in securing this conviction, and in fact it was so compelling that Ahmed pled guilty at a very early stage.
The Home Office has been using drones to monitor migrant activity in the Channel since late 2019. Earlier this month, they deployed a British Army drone previously used in Afghanistan. Despite this, more people have arrived in small boats this month than the whole of last year.
It was like a horror movie.
Speaking to me a week ago, this man told me he almost drowned after paying armed Calais smugglers £6,000. The smuggler who provided the boat fled as they were about to set off.
He took off his life jacket, threw it in the sea, and he ran.
Redouan Ahmed is the second person to be jailed in recent weeks, where the Home Office say drone footage was crucial in securing a conviction. They hope it sends the message: if you're prepared to take the helm, you can expect to be arrested and prosecuted.